Now let's look at future values. When our present value P is a lump sum, recall that our future value or account balance is going to be A equals P times E to the RT. When we are working with an income stream, remember that we already had this formula for P. So we can plug this formula, if it's not a lump sum, for the present value, we can plug it into this formula and multiply it times E to the RT. The only difference is this RT is now going to be a capital T. Our formula for a future value of continuous income stream would be E to the R capital T times our present value formula, 0 to capital T at the T E to the negative R little t dt. So basically we moved this ER to the T to the front so it wouldn't get confused as to who was inside that integral. All of the parts are still the same. A is the future value, F of T is the rate of flow or continuous income stream, R is the continuous rate, little t is the time, it remains a variable, capital T is the number of years invested. In example C, we have a constant income stream. We're to find the future value of $12,000 per year income stream deposited. So that is our income function. You can say F of T. It's $12,000. It's being deposited at 8%. So that's our rate. Compounded continuously. So again, that tells us, yes, we're good. We're using that E formula for 30 years. So capital T is 30. So remember our formula where A equals E to the R capital T, integral from 0 to capital T of our income stream times E to the negative R little t dt. So let's plug everything in to find that future value. So plugging this into our calculator, we get, it should be an approximate, $1,503,476.46. In example D, we're asked to find the amount of money accumulated from depositing $2,000 a year. So again, that is our income stream in a non-interest earning account for 5 years. Well, this is interesting because there is no interest. Notice what happens when our R equals 0%. If we're looking just at the function, where A equals E to the R capital T of the integral from 0 to capital T, F of T, E to the negative R little t dt. And if we plug in 0 everywhere there is a rate, anything to the 0 power, remember, is 1. So we are just left with the integral from 0 to capital T of our income stream. So if we plug in the parts that we know, our future value will be from 0 to 5 for 5 years, income stream of 2,000 dt. So this one we can do by hand. It'd be quick and easy. If we integrate that, we get 2,000 t from 0 to 5. 2,000 times 5 minus the 2,000 times 0, just going to give us $10,000. Did we need to do all that work? No, we could have just multiplied 2,000 by 5, but you get the idea.